How to enable grayscale on iPhone 12. So if you want to turn on grayscale on your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. This works on all the iPhone 12 series. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable grayscale on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and put the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page, locate display and text size and click on it. Now, once you selected display and text size, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to color filters, then go ahead and click on that. Under color filters, locate color filters and then turn it on. Now, to enable grayscale on your iPhone 12, click on grayscale. And once you click on grayscale, you can then come down to intensity and then use this to increase or reduce the intensity of the grayscale on your phone. Then you can now go back. Then you should see the grayscale setting on your iPhone. So you can turn on grayscale on your iPhone without using color tint on your device. You see that? So that is basically how to enable grayscale on iPhone 12. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.